So guys, let's start with a very interesting, very interesting, very easy topic. It comes for 5 to 8 marks. So we are starting with a topic called as audit of different types of entities. So what I'll do is I will not start the entire topic. I'll just give a background about the chapter, what we're going to do. Okay, so in the probably by next class, this chapter will also get over. It's a very small, easy topic, and it's one of my favorite topic for intern. It says audit of different types of entities. Quickly, Bharat, have you been ever fallen in love? Never. Why? What did he say? Someone, whose name? Vaibhav, okay. So, Vaibhav. Shh. Always. How do you spell? A R Arunesh. 1 month 5 years. How do you know about it? Okay, who's Arunesh? Arunesh, okay. Now, what's the name of the girl? Arunesh, what's the name of the girl? Yeah. Nonsense. Are. Tell me or else I'll write any name. Anu. Shreya? Please don't tell your girl's name here. Shreya. Shreyas. Who's Shreya? Oh, his name is. Okay, Shreyas. We write Shreya here, okay. Okay, Arunesh, you were born and brought up in Chennai only? Pondicherry. Arey, let him answer. Every answer you are only doing. Okay, you're from Pondi, great. I've been to Pondi, it's very beautiful place. Now, so till in Pondi, you did your schooling, right? Till 10th you have school there. And 11th, 12th also school or college? School. And after 12th you have colleges, right? Okay. So, and when is your coming out day? Birthday. He's asking him only, when is my birthday? August 5, every year, right? And in which year you were born? 2002. Oh. Now, 5th August. Now, so what happened on a day of 5th August, way back in 2002? His parents were very happy. Nurse came and said, something has happened. So his father asked, please tell me what has happened. So nurse lifted him, boy has happened. That's the only way to check. You have no other method to check. Okay? So on 5th August, Arunesh was incorporated in Ponty. He went to school and being a boy, see it's very normal for us to stand outside the class rather than inside. Okay, so you were in convent? Boys school or only boys school? Ah. Very sad, na? Now, so how did you got this talent of having 5 girls? He knows everything, trust me. Now, so he passed out his school and then he went to college. Now, what happens generally in Mumbai, we have college after 10th. So till school, you were in your school uniform, 2 uniform every day. I mean, everyone generally have 2 uniforms. And when you are in college, you see a lot of greenery. Boys know what does that greenery means. So colorful clothes, colorful people, beautiful people you see. So as usual, he went to college. There he saw a girl. So generally what happens when you see a girl, boys know this thing. We don't directly approach to the girl, right? Yes. Yeah. So you start talking to her friends. So Arunesh started talking to Shreya's friend. He started talking with the friends, then he got into their group. And then he got a chance to talk to Shreya's. What clicked between both of them, I don't know, but Shreya said yes to him. They were in deep shit love. Bullshit? So, post-college, his friends told him, let's go for a movie. He said, I don't have money. There's no pocket money. My pocket money is over. So when friends told him, let's go for a movie, he said no. But when Shreyas told, let's go for a movie. Obviously, yes. Babu. So they went to a theater. Corner seat was booked. And in between, what happened? They did not see the movie. Babu popcorn. So they went to theater. That's basically your cinema hall. Now, when the movie got over, the neighbor uncle told him, bro, movie is over. Go back to your home. Stop this. Stop what? I can't explain you what to stop. Something was going on. Uncle told him to stop. You stop imagining. Now, after theater, Shreya told, I'm very hungry. So they went to a restaurant. Popcorn, please ask them what happened. In the restaurant, they started eating. Then digestion is also very important, right? Then they went to a club. So club. Shreya was born and brought up in US. Full English girl. Full modern dance. He our local Chennai boy. He started removing his clothes and dance. She doing modern dance, he doing desi dance. Now, both of them got tired. Shreya told, who will go home? Let's take a hotel. Boys, stop imagining, please. So, they went to a hotel. Oh yeah. So, I was a receptionist there. I was working. It's my part-time job. So, Shreya and Arunesh came to me and said, sir, we need 2 rooms. I told, sir, due to season, we cannot give you 2 rooms. We have only 1 room. Now, he said, okay, fine, I will sleep on the floor. I don't mind. Shreya told, no, sleep beside me. They went to the hotel. He knows it. It has happened with him. He knows it. Now, experience, it is experience. So after hotel, in the hotel, what happened? It was a very beautiful night. Okay, well, the girl, very, very beautiful. He, Gobar boy. Now, there was only one bed. There was only one pillow, there was only one bed sheet. Something happened. And when something happened, boys and girls, you became Anna and Akka, we got Chota Runesh. Chota means small. We got small Arunesh. Now, these people went to hospital and we got, no, this much, yeah, small Arunesh. Something has happened. Again the story starts then. Now, Arunesh thought, I have not even cleared inter. My parents will definitely throw me out. So if I take this Chota Arunesh with me. So he gave Chota Arunesh to NGO. Why are you feeling bad for him? He is the Chota Arunesh. So what has happened, sir? Sir, right from school, he went to college, he went to theatre, then he went to restaurant, then club, then hotel, then hospital, then NGO. Arunesh, please don't imagine, I'm telling you. Now what do you have to do? Sir, why are we doing all this? Because we have to audit every area. We have to audit every area. Yeah. I request each boy to make sure you don't share your experiences. The most important area would be this. Please don't share your personal experiences. Shreyas, don't share. Okay, so we're gonna continue in the next class. I think it is 8 areas. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. 8 areas we need to audit. How's the story? Very sad. I don't know why everyone is happy except him. Are you Chota Arunesh? Okay, so we're gonna do every areas audit. These entities are profit entities or non-profit also? Both these are, right? So when we talk about audit, we only talk about company audit, right? That means a profit entity. In this chapter, we're gonna study different kinds of entity and their audit. So what is the process? Who does the audit? We'll be doing in this chapter, okay? So we continue in the next class. Bye guys, take care, enjoy. Bye.